Hey, it's 6.2, number 42 and 43. Remember, these are the properties of parallelograms. Opposite angles are congruent, opposite sides are congruent. Consecutive angles are supplementary, and the diagonals bisect each other. All right, let's take a look at number 42. This is a parallelogram, therefore we know that the opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, z is 53 degrees. Now, let's look at this right triangle where there's a 90-degree angle and a 53-degree angle. We know that these three angles have to add up to 180, so that z and y have to add up to 90. $37 degrees, which leaves us with x. Well, consecutive angles are supplementary. So in this parallelogram, 53 degrees is one angle, and the next consecutive angle is the combination of x and y. So this rotation plus this rotation is 180. 53 plus x plus y is equal to 180, and we know that y is equal to 37. So x plus 90 is 180, and x is 90. You might ask, was that a coincidence that it was the same as this angle? And you'd quickly realize, wait a second, x and this 90-degree angle are alternate interior angles. It's a parallelogram, so these opposite sides are parallel. And so angle x and this angle are alternate interior angles. So that concludes number 42.